Guys, it's Ivy and welcome to the coupon camp. We are going in the Dollar Tree to do some weekly couponing. Let's see what they got because they've been kind of slow with the coupons. Yeah, they've been kind of slow with the coupons, so let's see what they got, guys, okay? Okay, so they got yard stakes here. I usually buy these. They lasted actually a long time. Then they got tape. They have the double-sided tape. Okay. Yeah, I need 2 double-sided tapes. Okay. So, and the t-shirts are back. If you could find some Hanes in here, and that's what my daughter told me to go back and get, was some Hanes t-shirts, because the kids want to make them some t-shirts. So there's a Hanes. See, I'm sure most of the Hanes is gone. Let's see. What's that? That's a Jersey's dry. It's small though. Okay, let's see. Okay, Fruit of the Loom. Wow. They got like, that's a Gilda, and I don't like those. I told I was gonna pick the ones I liked. Okay, I think this is a Hanes. Who is this? That's a Beefy. Oh no, but it's a Hanes. It's a Hanes. It's a Hanes. Hold on, let me show you guys. And see this, the Hanes. It's right there. Okay, there's a Hanes. Get that. So I got 5 Hanes t-shirts. Ooh, that was a lot of work for you, girl. Okay, they got Valentine's Day. Got glasses and cups. Those are cute. Okay, guys, the pool noodles is back. They got white ones and they got green ones. They back. I remember I was looking for them things. They're back, and I got tons of them, so I don't need them. Hey, look at that crafter square. For some reason, I kind of knew that this would be on sale. The crafter square. Look at that. They have some amazing. How many in there? 3 of them. Okay. They got Spirit, Cherish, Friend, Magic, Be Mine. That's cute. Trust, Inspire. I'm gonna get Inspire. So let me show you guys this. I want to pan out so I can show it to you. They got a real nosy manager in here. So I might go to another Dollar Tree too today because she is not one of my favorites. Okay, and the first thing we're gonna grab, guys, is we have big coupons. I have 2, so I'm gonna grab 4 boxes of these. Okay, I'm gonna see if they work. Let me see. I saw some more big stuff. Here it is. Gelosity here. Okay, so we're gonna see if these work with our big coupons. They $2 off of 2, so that makes these free, right? So our first freebie of the day. Last week when I came to get big, they didn't have them. Okay, I'm gonna get a couple of bags of broccoli for dinner today. I'm gonna get broccoli, but y'all see how much I done picked up. That's why it's hard. It'd be hard for me to show what I got because I have everything in here. Let me see if they got those other snack things. Uh-oh, but they got plenty of bread, guys. Look at that. So they got potato buns. They got potato bread. And then they got the, let me see, the brown berry. Brown berries sell a lot of stuff now. In here, okay. Oh, I love this bread. It is so heavy, but it's good. So I'm gonna grab 2 of those breads. Let's see. Those rolls are good too. Oh, maybe I'll try these today with dinner. Okay. And let's see. They got donuts back again. $1. Okay. I have a coupon for these. I'm gonna try these today. Okay. And here is the donuts. So they got softies. They got a lot of softies. The donuts. And I'm bound to let my kids go ahead on and eat them. Okay. They got a lot of softies on here. Oh, what's that? A pastry? Hold on. Hold it. Let me get it out. So look at mini cherry pies. Remember the Intimates Bakery? That's what this remind me of. Let me grab it and see if my kids like it. If not, my husband will eat it. I ain't worried about that. Oh, it's a lot of them. Let's see what else that is. Danish rolls. They got raspberry rolls. Let's see. The cheese Danish. Ain't none of it in the right place. I just raise the things up and get them. Yeah. After moving it around. Yep, you do. Yeah. So you guys saw that. Oh my God, that bread is magnificent. Look at that. That bread is at least, this is at least $4.99 by itself. So yes, I'm gonna grab it. I come in here every Tuesday purposely, so you guys know I do this video on Tuesday so that and put it up on Wednesday, right? A lot of people tell me they Dollar Trees don't look like this, but mine doesn't either. This is the one closer to my brother's house that's filled with stuff. See, now they moved a Skinny Pop again. Now, last time I tried to Skinny Pop, the coupons that beeped. This one didn't beep, but I don't have any more coupons. This one didn't beep. If I find some more, I'm gonna grab it next week because the coupons don't expire till March. The white cheddar don't beep. This one beeped, okay? I love Skinny Pop. It's my favorite popcorn. Okay, this new menu cookies. Yep, new. I always buy Nabisco. Uh-oh, I'm finna grab these two because that's a 10 ounce. Oh my God, I'm finna grab these two. Okay guys, you see this? 70 Nabisco, 75 cents off 2, 3.5 ounce or higher. Guess how many ounces this is? 10 ounces. Huh. And I was gonna go in there and try some janky. Now I'm mad because I didn't bring my other one in here. God. So this is where I found them at right here, guys. Aisle 26, and they got them hiding right there. See that? They got them hiding. You guys remember these? The chocolate cream, the Adobe. Yeah, they got Dolly. They back. Okay, I love that everything that's old is new again. What's this? Cocoa Puff. Oh, it's a cereal bar. Okay, 3-pack. Okay. And what's this? Look at that. Orange cupcakes. That's from Halloween. I'll trust that. Okay, and we over here down the shelf aisle. Oh, I want deodorant. So let me tell you, when we have those Dove coupons come out, guys, I mean run when you see that they here, because they usually work. Okay, they usually do work, unless you got a police. But you know, other than that, they work. Salon Selectives. That are the little Elvive colors. So we also had a 50 cent off coupon. So I'm gonna grab 2 of these. Now remember, it has to say Travel Voyager. Travel Voyager, grab 2 of those. And then because my son used these away at college, don't ask me what he doing with them. Because I know I sent him with at least 10 of these, and he told me he need more toothpaste. Make sure they the travel ones. He want these. So I gave him some more friends, all of these. And now he's saying he don't have them anymore. He gonna make me punch him in the face. But we're gonna grab 2 of these too. The 50 cent off Colgate coupons work on these. And then we have some more Halls coupons, which I'm gonna grab 4 of these because I'm gonna get the defense ones because they work. So I'm gonna grab 4 of these, okay? Because I got 2 coupons left, I think. Oh, look at that. That's new. That's pretty new. I don't see that one. Oh, there's the Firefly. Right there. I usually can't find them. Okay, I'm going to try 2 of these and see if it works. Okay. And then 2 of these. Right here. Look, guys, I'm going to try the Blue Halls. They got Blue Halls. So let me try these 2. They call Cool's Nasal Passages. Okay, we'll try those. Okay, so we're gonna try these right here on this. If it don't work, just tell them to take it off. We'll try these on this. The 50 cent toothbrush. Okay, on these travel forges, and then 1 Colgate. These are going to be on the Bic. Oh. Okay, guys, so right here, I'm going to show you right here, these 2 coupons, these beat, but the guy put them through, and one of these beat, and one of these beep. So that's why you only see me with these 2, because whatever beep, I didn't get it. So let me see how many I have. I had $7.25 in coupons, which was fantastic. But the thing is that how? Like these beep, I don't understand why. I understand why these beep. Don't get me wrong with that. I'm not stupid. This match, and I don't know why that beeped. So I was looking to see if the ounces was different, but maybe because it's Icy Blast or something. But anyway, those beep. Other than that, every single coupon came out. $7 and something came out. So there you go, guys. You saw the receipt. Thanks, guys, for tuning in. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Hit like, subscribe, and share this channel, guys. Share. And I got all my delicious bread. And I got the Nabiscos worked perfect. So y'all know I'm going back to dig those out. They had them hidden. You guys saw on aisle 26. Sack 3rd row, they were hidden all the way in the back. Make sure you take a look and see what that is. Bye, guys.